Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'll show you how to make Indian style tuna finger sandwich. These are so simple to make but really delicious. It's perfect for breakfast. Also you can serve as a tea time snack and a quick lunchbox recipe. It's very nutritious and filling. Now let's get started. Ingredients to make tuna finger sandwich. First let's prepare tuna filling. For that, into a pan add 2 tablespoons of oil. Once the oil is hot, add half a teaspoon of cumin seeds. Fry this for 10 seconds. Some curry leaves or fresh red chilli. You can also add green chilli. Fry this for 30 seconds. Let the flavor get infused in the oil. Add 2 onions finely chopped. We need our onions to be crunchy, so fry it for a minute. Add a tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. Let it cook for a minute. Add 1 tomato, just saute it for 30 seconds. It should not be mushy. Now to this add a cup of boiled potato and mix well. Let's add the spices. Half a teaspoon turmeric powder, half a teaspoon of fennel powder, 1 tablespoon of chili powder and 1 tablespoon of Madras curry powder. Give all of this a nice mix. Let the spices cook well for 2 minutes. This tuna filling you can serve as a side dish for rice varieties and Indian breads as well. This is 2 cans of tuna. Give a mix. Do not over mix it like a paste. Add 3/4 teaspoon of salt and mix well. Combine all these ingredients well to get a thick filling. Turn off the flame and add half a teaspoon of lemon juice, some coriander leaves. Our tuna filling is done. Let it cool down a bit. Let's make sandwich. Take some bread slices, cut all 4 sides. Apply some cheese spread on the bread, or you can use butter as well. Apply mayo on the other bread slice and smear well. I'm using spicy mayo. Add a good amount of tuna filling. Quick and easy Indian style tuna finger sandwich. Do give it a try and share this delicious recipe with your family and friends. If you like this video, consider subscribing, like, share and comment. For more such videos, click on the left to check out my previous video and on the right my other recipes. Thank you all so much for watching. Stay safe, stay healthy, happy cooking.